Philippines!
Namaste India! Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs!
Please subscribe to our channel!
Like and share! Salamat! Hello guys, we are here at Statue of Unity. This is the tallest statue in the world, 183 meter. And I'm proud to say this is tallest statue in the world.
Yeah, made in India.
And the man you see behind, he is our first home minister here. And he is called as an Iron Man, and his name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
It's very beautiful
And it is
here.
very near to us. And
Yeah, like
it is
80
very-
kilometers. Like
very
80
near,
kilometers.
And we can see.
So Nene, what you can say about this Statue of Unity, huh?
It's very tallest
Tallest?
and very huge.
Very huge and tallest. Yeah, look.
And opening of this is 31st October 2018, guys.
So it is 2018?
Recently only, but because of pandemic, I think so this is the best place for foreigner to attract, I can say. But because of pandemic, we are not getting too many foreign. But in future,
because it's
I'm
always
pretty sure.
closed. It's always closed.
Yes. So guys, here you can see there is a river here. It's called Narmada River, and this
Alright.
statue is located on top of Narmada River.
Yeah. Ah, this is the river. Oh guys, oh. Nasa river pala siya. Look. How beautiful here. Oh, look.
And it is located on top of Narmada River,
Yeah, at the middle, yeah, of the river.
and that is Sardar Sarovar Dam.
This one, yeah, that
Yes,
side.
if that water get full, they release the water here.
So beautiful river, Nina, look.
Very beautiful.
Look that, Statue of Unity.
Unity.
Okay, so I'm excited na guys, pupunta tayo dun sa taas. So guys, malapit na tayo. We are here now at entry and viewing gallery, Statue of Unity. So this is the entrance, yeah?
Yes.
So Madam Shama is giving her ticket. So yan guys, nakapasok na ako. Medyo mahigpit pala dito, marami pang pinagdadaan ng mga checkpoint, ticket, temperature. So we are done, and this is the Statue of Unity. Yung price ng ticket here, I paid 1,500 rupees. But for Indian National, 350 rupees, yeah?
Yes.
How about for Nina, same?
Same.
350 rupees for Nina. I have one question. Why you call this Statue of Unity? Why Unity?
It is history behind that. In 1947, when our India get independent, our nation was divided into many states, like 532 to 535. And he is our first home minister who unite them together and make one nation. He go request to all the kings, because before that was king here, yeah, and he request them to unite together as a one nation. So imagine that time he have to travel to 535 states, and he make this nation. Otherwise this India is not like largest
And
nation.
that said, I find out that said his mother is from Najd, where we live.
He born in Nadiad. So
Oh
guys,
my God.
we will show you as well his place where he born.
From our town, Najd.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, we will see the feet first,
And
because
then-
our ticket is until chest.
Chest.
Okay. So yan guys, oh. Yan guys, oh, ang laki, oh. Kakalula, oh.
I'm afraid eh.
Paa pa lang to, oh. Nasa paanan pa lang kami, oh. Grabe. Paa pa lang, eh. Oh, dear. Ayan guys, oh. Paa pa lang kami. Grabe, ang laki na. And look at the view here. Yan guys, oh. Hindi mo makikita. You can see the body at this portion, yeah?
This is just tissue only.
Look.
From
Kaya
here,
naman
I have to run.
kadaming sementong ginamit din eh. And this the other one.
The one.
Oh, Nina, look, Nina.
Shania.
Come on, come here. Grabe, ang laki. Sama, what you can say?
Oh, it's
You're from
amazing.
Gujarat, yeah? You're
How
from
they-
Gujarat.
Yeah, how they construct. I salute to engineers
Yeah.
to construct this. And it's like I'm very afraid to see. Oh my God! It's
And we're going up there,
we are
yeah?
going up, not here
Until chest.
Until chest.
Until chest. Oh,
How
the...
tall it is.
Nakaka-amaze din talaga guys kung paano nila nagawa to. Imagine, this is the tallest statue in the world. Copper?
Copper.
Really?
You touch it. It is copper.
Oh my god.
Come here.
Yeah,
There is a door as well here.
made of copper.
Yeah, this is door for staff. Look,
Mm.
come here. This one.
Oh my god, look.
You can see here. This is copper.
Mm.
How thick it is. Look.
Yeah.
And this is 8 mm to 35 mm.
MM?
Yes.
You mean the thick?
Thickness.
Alright. Thank you, yeah? Thank
Very
you.
much.
Oh, I thought it's like, you know,
Cement.
cement, but no,
it's
yeah.
not cement because I touched cement from inside.
Ah.
And outside
this
copper.
This copper. Alright.
Wow.
So guys, pupunta na tayo doon sa pinakamataas hanggang chest niya. So ito yung entrance dito. So let's go. Statue of Unity. This is the entrance here. Oh, it's AC. It's AC. And look. Oh, look. The comparison niya. Look.
This is comparison.
Look, this is Christ the Redeemer, 1931, Brazil.
Liberty, Shania, 93 meter
And look,
only.
Russia, the Mother and Calls, 1967. Oh, Statue of Liberty, 1886, 93 meters. And this one is Japan, 1993, 120 meters. Oh, China, Temple Buddha, Spring, China, 153 kilometers. And this
Statue of
one,
Unity, 182.
Statue of Unity, India, 182. Year 2018. Look guys, oh, ganun pala. Yun pala.
Very beautiful.
But, so how about this one? Ah, when they build. Look guys, oh, when they build. From this. From this. And this. Look. On
the feet, this
Yeah.
chest.
And now this one, 12. Oh. This is from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 until 12. Oh. Grabe pala dito sa loob. Oh. Ang ganda pala rin sa loob. The making of world's tallest statue. Oh. Wow. Inside is beautiful, yeah?
You will feel that we are inside.
This is the head, yeah, of this man. What is his name again?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Patel.
Sardar Patel.
Sardar Patel. Oh, guys, ang ganda pala dito sa loob, oh. Oh. This one, viewing gallery elevators. Oh.
Everything is not allowed here.
There is chatter as well here. Nina, do you like here? Oh. So ito na yung guys, viewing gallery elevators papunta sa taas. Medyo marami palang pagdadaanan bago ka pa makapasok sa taas. Talagang mahigpit din sila. Yung lift papunta sa taas. This is straight away?
Straight to chest, direct at chest.
Oh, direct sa chest na pala oh. Sir, how many minutes from here?
3 minutes લાગે છે.
38 seconds.
હા?
38 seconds.
38 seconds.
38 seconds.
45 floor.
45 floor.
44 floor. 38 seconds.
Second,
Oh,
you are
dear.
there.
So 45 floors, but
Yes.
38 seconds only.
Mm.
Alright. So, mabilis lang pala. 45 floors. So, dire-diretso na pala to sa chest, guys. So, Nina, you don't realize yet that we're going up.
You don't know how far height on the height here.
So, I think it's almost 38 seconds na, yeah? Look, mabilis lang, oh. We're on the chest now? Oh!
Oh
So,
my God.
yan guys,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
nasa chest na pala kami. Oh. So fast. This is the front side view. Ganito pala ang view nito sa taas, guys. Ayan, oh. So, this is the entrance. Oh. Nine, look. Nasa chest area na tayo.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा.
What is your question, Shama?
I said, why until chest they are allowing like?
Yeah, why not until on the head?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has a dream to build a dam on Narmada River. Mr. Modi has fulfilled his dream with his heart. People also has to visit with his heart. That's the reason people can visit viewing gallery but in chest portion.
In chest portion. Alright.
So it is up to here only, yeah, until chest.
For visitors.
So now, that's why it's chest area only.
Yes.
So people can see his dream as well.
As well.
Oh, by from
Thank you
height.
very much for
Alright.
providing
Thank you for that very
So guys, we are here at the back side of the chest. You can see Narmada River here. It's a beautiful view. And this is jacket of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And here one guy give me information why I say why it is 182 meter. And he said in cabinet we have 182 seats. That's why it is 182 meter. And it was his dream to be this you saw Sardar Dam to work fluently, and his dream come true. That's why they allow until the chest. So I'm very happy. At least I'm here. And also guys, up there he said more 15 floor is there, but it
15
is
floors, yeah.
just for maintenance department. We not allowed to go. So imagine how tall it is. So good morning guys, I am here at the Nadiad and you can see I am at Iron Man birthplace house, and I am originally from Nadiad, and guys I'm very proud that this Iron Man is born in my city. So let's go. I asked the permission to see his house. એમનું પેલું પારણું છે. This is the one where it is like a Duyan guys, where he was like moving inside when he was kid. You can see he called to be Iron Man. આ પ્લેસ નું ડેટ શું કહે છે? દેસાઈ વગો. And this place is called Desai Vago. And this is his birthday. He born on 31st of October 1875 and he died on 15th of December 1950 at age of 75 है ना 75 वर्ष से एक्सपायर. हाँ, you can see. Oh, they are the relative of like cousin. Dinobhai Vithalbhai Desai.
મામાના છોકરા.
All.
બે ભાઈ હતા સરદાર સાહેબ ને પેલા વિઠ્ઠલભાઈ બે ભાઈ
પણ આ એમનો મામાનું.
This is his mother house and he
yeah.
born here.
Yeah.
Because usually in India this is the culture when first child should be born at mother house.
Yeah.
So she come here for delivery and here he born. So and I'm salute to these guys who contribute, who play very important role for our country, and also salute to the people who play their important role but their name is not in the book.
Yes.
Too many people, they play very important role for independence to our country. So salute to those people. Thank you very much. So guys, this place is very interesting. When I come here I find out more history and I can suggest the people in future if they open you can travel here. It's very beautiful place and you will enjoy the weather, the location and history of India.
We really enjoyed.
We
Yeah.
really enjoy. So thank you guys. You are always supporting Bimbo Corneo Vlogs. Please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.